Hello everyone, I hope your day is bright and beautiful.
Today we're going to be making a bronzini grilled in the oven, and our vegetable today is going to be tomato, colored pepper, and 3 jalapeno pepper and lemon. Okay, now we're going to start seasoning the fish with a little bit of olive oil. So when you put the spices, stick to it. So we're going to mix it together. The oil. And you're going to start with cayenne pepper. You can use as much as you want. Cumin. For the 3 pieces of fish, you can use 2 spoons. Paprika gives it a good color when you mix it together. Black pepper. Garlic powder, 1 spoon. And salt. You can add 2 to 3 salt, 1 for each fish. And you start mixing it together. Add a little more salt. Salt will hold the crust while in the oven. We can add lemon. This is a very quick dish when you're in a rush. You can make it in about 15 to 20 minutes. Just put it in the oven. Add a little bit of oil. And also we can season the vegetable a little bit. Same seasoning, you can give it some paprika, give it good color. And then we put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, we took it out of the oven, and now we flip it over. You be careful when you flip it over, it's still hot. If you need more seasoning, we add seasoning. If not, it's fine. Now, fish is already done. Okay. Now it's done, and this is how you peel it. This is how it looks like.
Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video. Please let me know what you think in a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.